Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve this problem setting. As you can see in your phone guys, if you have on this setting and guys you cannot use your phone guys, you can see. So I will show you guys how to off this setting and guys how to solve this TalkBack setting guys. We call it guys TalkBack. So let's start the video, and before starting video guys, I want to tell you something. When you will go to your any shopkeeper, like mobile shopkeeper, so he will charge 50 to 100 rupees to solve this problem guys. We will solve it free. So let's see how to solve it. So I want to tell you only one thing guys. Whatever I will do in this video guys, you will have to do only same guys. You will have to, like you can say guys, copy and paste. And guys, let's see how to solve this problem. So first of all, use your two finger guys, this two finger guys, and guys scroll it. Guys, click your one finger to setting, and guys two tap continuously guys. Then guys scroll it. Sorry friends.
Double tap to activate. Navigate.
Scroll it guys. To be careful. Then guys use your one finger. Click on guys shortcut and accessibility.
Shortcuts and
guys
accessibility.
two tap.
Shortcuts.
Then guys use your two finger, one finger, accessibility, two tap,
accessibility,
TalkBack guys, click one finger, two tap, use TalkBack, one finger, two tap, stop, two tap.
TalkBack off.
So guys, now guys relax. So as you can use your phone guys, you can see guys this setting problem has solved in our Vivo Y15s phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve this TalkBack setting and guys how to solve this problem in your Vivo Y15s phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.